Meet the TYPHON Terror 25 2.5-ton mini excavator. Compact, powerful, and built to perform. Powered by the reliable Kubota D1105 engine, delivering 19 horsepower at 2,200 revolutions per minute and up to 25.1 horsepower at 3,000 revolutions per minute. With 18 kilonewtons of digging force and a 0.07 cubic meter bucket, it handles tough jobs with ease, with a maximum unloading height of 2,610 millimeters and with a maximum digging depth of 2,045 millimeters. Perfect for construction, landscaping, and utility work. The boom swing enables precise side-to-side work near obstacles, while retractable tracks adjust for tight spaces. Pilot controls ensure smooth, accurate operation. Climb up to 40 degrees and stay stable on challenging terrain. TYPHON Terror 25. Compact size, serious power, ready for any job.
Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.